Right, so I've got a AT6666 radio, and I'm going to try to blow it up with a high SWR. Don't do this, people. This is stupid. I shouldn't even do this. But it is no antenna connected to it at all. It's just sitting there with a power cable going to it, going into power supply, and that's all there is. And I've got this little bit here that I use. I usually just stuff audio in there, just rude and crude, and it's got a little jumper on it to cause it to transmit. And when I plug that in, it will transmit. But I don't have to hold the bloody microphone. So I'm going to put this phone down here, and I'm going to plug this in. We're going to see what happens. So there we go. So we've got a SWR that it can't quite work out because it's really high. So it can't work out if it's 14.8 or 15.8. That's probably just because there's nothing connected to it. It just doesn't know what to do about it. So whatever it is, it's really high. So we'll just go with that. And once this is done, whether it blows up or doesn't blow up, if it survives, if it doesn't survive, we'll put that brass bit off the back, and we'll see what devices it has in it. I've never been into it, so I don't actually know what's behind the brass plate. So here we go. 40 seconds. It's not dead yet. Now this chap better pay up. But I guess if it doesn't pay up, if it's just bullshit, just like the whole claim of it's going to explode is bullshit, I guess there's no loss. Just in the name of science. We've crossed 1 minute, and it has not died. It's still going. Still going. Drawing a shitload of current. Still going. Starting to smell it too. It's not a pleasant smell, so I have a feeling it's probably going to die. Oh yeah, it's hot. I can feel it. Don't even touch it. I can just feel the heat coming off of it. Yeah. Yeah, it's hot. It's baking. 1 minute 38. Still going. You know, I don't know if I should torture this thing anymore. I'm thinking that maybe after 2 minutes we'll just call it quits and pull the brass plate off. Because if it lives 2 minutes, I think it deserves to live. It's not dead. Alright, I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna say this thing deserves to live. So let's stop this. You know, stopped it at 2 minutes for it, so it probably lasted 2 minutes, about 10 seconds. And it's smelling pretty good. So let's turn it off. And oh yeah, that thing is hot. Get this microphone out of the way. So let's see about how I get this brass plate off the back of this. Because that screw right there is going to be a little tough. So let's see. I can just maybe get it. Yeah, I can do it. Okay. Let's get that out of there. Stuff is hot. I can feel it from the working behind the camera. I can feel the heat coming off of this thing. It is hot. Okay. Let's see about getting that plate off of there. Looks like it's glued to it. Oh, there's a sill pad. Okay, yeah, there's a sill pad back there. Okay. That came off pretty easy. Let's see. What's in it? Without touching it, because it's hot. Alright, so can we zoom into this? Let's see. Come on. Almost. Alright. Well, FQP13N10s. And it survived. It's hot. It doesn't smell good, but it survived. So, thanks for watching. And don't do this, guys. This was dumb. So, anyways, that'll be all. Cheers.